5 AI tools making people rich in 2025. AI is changing everything, and smart people are using it to make real money in 2025. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools that can help you start earning online, even if you're just getting started. Let's begin. 1. ChatGPT by OpenAI. ChatGPT helps you write blogs, create business ideas, build marketing content, and even write code. People are using it to offer freelance writing and automation services and making thousands every month. 2. Midjourney. Midjourney creates beautiful AI images and designs. You can make logos, social media posts, and t-shirt designs, then sell them on platforms like Etsy, Fiverr, or Redbubble. It's perfect for creative side hustles. 3. Pictory.ai. Pictory turns any text or script into a professional video with stock clips, music, and AI voiceover. It's great for YouTube creators who want to make videos without showing their face. Many people are using it to build passive income channels. 4. 11 Labs. 11 Labs lets you create ultra-realistic AI voices. You can make audiobooks, YouTube narrations, or podcasts that sound 100% human. It's a powerful tool for content creators who want quality voiceovers fast. 5. Notion AI. Notion AI is like your smart personal assistant. It helps you plan tasks, write emails, summarize notes, and organize your business. Freelancers and entrepreneurs use it to save hours every week, and more time means more money. These are the 5 AI tools making people rich in 2025. If you learn to use even 2 or 3 of them, you can build an entire online business from your laptop. AI isn't the future, it's the present. Start today, and you might thank yourself a year from now. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI plus money hacks, and share it with a friend who's ready to grow in 2025.